Redmond Door Installation Services are your go-to solution for all your door needs in Redmond, WA. Whether you're looking for entry doors, patio doors, or custom doors, our expert team provides top-notch door installation to enhance your home's aesthetic and security. Our Redmond Door Installation Services ensure a perfect fit and seamless integration with your existing architecture. Door replacement Redmond services are also available to ensure your doors are updated with the latest styles and functionalities. Door installation in Redmond, WA, is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your doors. Our skilled technicians specialize in door frame installation, door jamb installation, and door threshold adjustments to keep your doors operating smoothly. With our Redmond Door Installation Services, you can trust that your doors will be restored to their original condition. If needed, Door Replacement Redmond can further enhance the look and efficiency of your entryways. Entry door replacement in Redmond is a crucial service for homeowners looking to upgrade their home's curb appeal and security. Our Redmond entry door replacement experts offer a wide range of styles and materials to suit your preferences and budget. Enhance your home's entrance with our professional entry door replacement Redmond services in Redmond. We also provide door replacement Redmond options to cater to a variety of needs. Redmond Patio Door Services provide comprehensive solutions for your outdoor living spaces. From sliding door installation in Redmond, WA, to French door installation, our team ensures your patio doors are both functional and stylish. Trust our Redmond Patio Door Services to enhance your home's connection to the outdoors. Door replacement Redmond services are available for those seeking to upgrade their outdoor door systems. French door installation in Redmond is a popular choice for homeowners seeking elegance and functionality. Our Redmond French door installation experts offer a variety of designs to complement your home's interior and exterior. Experience the beauty and practicality of French doors with our professional installation services in Redmond. Additionally, Door Replacement Redmond is available for those needing a fresh look for their French doors. Sliding door installation in Redmond, WA, is essential for maintaining the smooth operation of your sliding doors. Our Redmond sliding door installation specialists address issues such as misalignment, damaged tracks, and faulty rollers to ensure your doors glide effortlessly. Rely on our sliding door installation services in Redmond for optimal performance. If necessary, door replacement Redmond services are offered to replace outdated sliding doors. Custom doors in Redmond, Washington, offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's entryways. Our Redmond custom door solutions provide a wide range of design options, materials, and finishes to create doors that reflect your style and taste. Transform your home with our custom doors in Redmond, Washington. For a fully tailored experience, Door Replacement Redmond services ensure you get the perfect fit for your home. Redmond door hardware services are essential for ensuring the security and functionality of your doors. Our experts provide a comprehensive range of door hardware solutions, including door locks, door hinges, and door security systems. Enhance your home's safety with our Redmond door hardware services. Door replacement Redmond services also include upgrading door hardware to the latest models for added protection. Door frame installation in Redmond, WA, is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your doors. Our skilled technicians specialize in installing damaged door frames to prevent further issues and ensure a secure fit. Trust our door frame installation services in Redmond, WA, for reliable and efficient solutions. For damaged or outdated doors, Door Replacement Redmond is available as a more comprehensive solution. Redmond door refinishing experts offer professional services to restore the beauty and durability of your doors. Our refinishing process includes sanding, staining, and sealing to protect your doors from the elements. Enhance the appearance of your doors with our Redmond door refinishing services. If refinishing isn't enough, Door Replacement Redmond offers a great option for completely updating your doors. For top-notch door installation and door installation services in Redmond, WA, look no further than our expert team. We specialize in entry doors, patio doors, French doors, and sliding doors, ensuring your home is both stylish and secure. Our Redmond door installation services are second to none, providing you with the best in custom doors and door replacement Redmond options. Whether you need entry door replacement in Redmond or sliding door installation in Redmond, WA, we have you covered. Redmond door hardware services are essential for maintaining the functionality and security of your doors. Our team offers comprehensive door hardware solutions, including door hinges, door locks, and door jamb installation. We also provide door threshold services in Redmond, WA, ensuring a perfect fit and finish for your doors. Trust our Redmond door refinishing experts to restore the beauty of your doors with professional door painting services. For those looking for a complete upgrade, Door Replacement Redmond can provide the perfect solution. Door maintenance in Redmond, WA, is crucial for the longevity and performance of your doors. Our Redmond door sealing services and weatherproof doors in Redmond ensure your home is protected from the elements. We offer door alignment in Redmond, WA, and Redmond door hinge installation to keep your doors operating smoothly. Our door lock services in Redmond provide peace of mind with enhanced security solutions. If maintenance is not enough, Door Replacement Redmond is available to replace any outdated doors. For those seeking custom doors in Redmond, Washington, our Redmond Custom Door Solutions offer a wide range of options to suit your style and needs. From door frame installation in Redmond, WA, to door insulation and door security solutions, we provide comprehensive services to enhance your home's entryways. Our door adjustment in Redmond, WA, and Redmond door fitting services ensure a perfect installation every time. For a more extensive change, Door Replacement Redmond offers new custom designs for your entryways. Upgrade your home with our door upgrades in Redmond, WA. Our team specializes in insulated doors in Redmond, WA, providing energy-efficient solutions for your home. With Redmond Door Security Solutions, you can rest assured that your home is protected. Our door jamb installation and door threshold services in Redmond, WA, ensure a seamless transition between rooms and the outdoors. If you are considering an upgrade, Door Replacement Redmond is the way to go for a complete transformation. Choose our Redmond patio door services for expert installation and installation of your patio doors. Our French door installation in Redmond offers elegance and functionality, while our sliding door installation in Redmond, WA, ensures smooth operation. Trust our Redmond door refinishing experts for all your door painting and refinishing needs, enhancing the beauty and value of your home. Door Replacement Redmond is also available for anyone looking to replace or upgrade their patio doors. For all your door needs in Redmond, WA, our team provides exceptional service and quality. From door installation and door installation to custom doors and door maintenance, we're your go-to experts in Redmond. Contact us today for the best in Redmond door installation services and experience the difference in quality and service. Our Door Replacement Redmond services will ensure your home is equipped with the best doors available.